Okay, so we are live. We're gonna treat this setup live. It's almost there in my entry. We're gonna treat this live. Almost tapping it. Alright. YouTube live. Of course, there are some that won't be patient to wait for it and will decide to make early entry, but it's just like that. If it doesn't get there and goes back, well, I don't have any other choice. On current views. Okay, so this is the setup for today. We're looking to sell gold. Okay, at around 72. Around 72 is the sell. If it doesn't get there and reverses back, I have no option. And there's still possibility it might still continue pushing up, take us out here and buy. Well, this is my final setup for today. Okay, don't forget to tap your screen. It's almost getting there. Okay, 1008, and it's a trigger. Okay, the setup has triggered. So let's see what good is going to offer today. Let's see. Setup is a go. Did it? I think it did it. Well, it got there. I think 71 900. Looks like 10 pips to trigger and reverse. Well, the main aim is to sell from there. So 71.8. I know definitely someone must have entered there. But the entry is 72. just 72. Okay. Okay, welcome everyone. Nice. Let's stop. Goody. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Okay. So the aim is to make profit together and not to make it alone. That's why I'm going live. That's why I'm dropping setups for free. Okay. So good, got there. And of course, if it triggered at in your own at 72, then I definitely think you're running 30 pips plus right now. If it didn't, let me see if I had any entry there. Not interested, please. Good. Let's see. Yeah, I had an entry on 70.1, but I still think it's gonna come back to that 72. Okay. Nine, 80. Setup is active and running. Let's keep going. Tap your screen, guys. Comment, like, and share. Let's keep going. We have 1 hour today to see where gold is going to take us to. Okay. And I probably think it's already taking us to profits. Come on, guys. I give this setup. Where we at? Let me see. Hmm. Hmm. I actually saw this coming. Okay, let me make an entry on 70. I'm gonna make an entry on 3970. Okay, yeah, making an entry on 3970 so that we don't miss this sell. Already it's looking like it doesn't want to come back to there, but I've made an entry on 3970. So what I'm just gonna do is get you here at 70. Good. 3970 made. But the main entry is 3972. So and it's a go. 72 not triggered yet. What you waiting for, bro? Okay. $72 triggered. So now we have either stop loss or take us to profit. Good. So that's what we are waiting for now. Let me take my snapshots, setup activated, and let's go. So if it comes back to 3970, I'm gonna close that because my main entry was 3972. Okay, yeah, so it's back to 3970. I'm gonna take that profits there and then stick to my main entry 3972. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. What lot size I take on a 10,000 accounts for this trade, sir? 10,000 accounts. That's your choice. If you want to go full magic, you can take 100 lot size. When your account goes to 0, then you reduce the lot size next time. But the best lot size on a 10k account is definitely 1 lot size for me, if I don't want to risk much. Just one lot size. Highest stop loss of this now is 100 pips. That's like 1,000. So it's fair enough. Except you want to go higher. So here we are. Although why this setup might fail, let's see. Why this setup might fail. Let me analyze something. Why it might fail. Already we have double bottom here. That's me trying to analyze now. So if we have double bottom here and this is the range, where is that range? Price range. So if this is double bottom and this is the price range to this point, then we should be expecting gold to do the same price range above. So from here to here, gold should be reaching here. That's if the setup fail. But on other broker, you might not see this double bottom here. Okay, on other broker, you might not see this double bottom, but here on TradingView, I'm seeing double bottom. So if this setup is gonna fail, I'll be expecting gold to go all the way to 40.13. Okay, but aside that, this setup gives us what we want. Okay, it gives us profits. Then we're heading all the way back to TP to take out this liquidity here. Okay, so that's just it. 0.02 on the $10,000 account. 0.02 is, yeah, lot size is lot size. Even if it's 0.01, it's still okay. No, I don't care about all. Just you need to do is don't blow your account. That's it. Because some people believe that lot 0.01 lot size is too small. When will I make profit? It's a hell of a huge lot size. If you don't know, some people will tap it like 500 times. 0.01, you just see your chart dirty and all that. So like I said, if it goes back to 39.70, I'll be closing the entry I made on 70 and stick to my 72 because I don't want to risk much. Okay, so as it stands now, it's back to 70, so I've closed those entry and I'm sticking to my 72 entry to see what gold has to give me today. But it doesn't even look like it wants to even fall back to this zone, but well, it's best to believe in your setup. Okay, so you don't have anything to be skeptical about. Believing in your setup is the best thing. Confidence. So don't forget to tap your screens. Don't forget to comment, share. A win is a win, a loss is a loss. So there are days like that you don't win. There are days you win. So it's just like that. Okay. Moreover, the trade is still dancing. I would say it's still dancing. Profits, no profits. Profits, no profits. Well, who cares? Well, all I know is eventually we'll end up at the profits end day with this setup. Okay, I believe that. So let's see. Indra, Jordan Durantes, Arnaud, David Asensio, Jack Park. That sound I'm hearing is the washing machine. I'm trying to get my clothes washed while I'm trading. See, so oh my god. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's go. Come on, tap your screens. Like, share, comment. Okay. Don't be shy. What did I just do? Okay. Thank you. Don't be shy. Hmm? Don't sell that go, please. I'm buying. That's why it's forex. That's why it's trading. Everyone can't be right at the same time. If you're buying now and I'm selling, it depends on who gets it right, who the market gives. So you might be right buying, and it will just take us out and give you your profit. So it's just the blockchain. Okay, we might be selling and we might be right. It will just give us profit and take your loss as our profit. So it's just like that. So it's just the algorithm. It's called blockchain. When someone loses, another person on another side is making profit. So take your loss and give that person as his profit. So it's just like that. You're buying, it's not as if you're wrong. There is a reason for your buy. We are selling, it's not as if we're wrong. There's a reason for our sell. So it's just for us to wait for the market to reward us with either loss or take profit. So for me, if it is loss, I'm ending today. I'm not reading today. I'll just close my laptop like this, and go to sleep to live to fight. It's called live to fight another day, right? Is that the English? Yeah, I think so. What's this transaction I'm seeing? Okay. He's dancing with my spirit. It doesn't matter. Good falls at Powell's. Powell dim hopes for December rate cuts. Okay. There was rate cuts. Good should have bought yesterday due to rate cut, but I don't know why Good decided to all of a sudden sell yesterday, sell off massively. So I've already made analysis of this. If this setup is gonna fail, okay, just expect Good to land back to what's this 4013. That's exactly where Good should land if the setup fails. If it doesn't, expect it to go to TP. If it does fail, 4013 exactly. No long story, no addition, no subtraction. Okay. Out of each trade. Yeah. Crazy. This is crazy. Hey. Do not do this, gold. Do not do this. Boys FX S West join user Sherilyn Corky Kyanggyang. Some names I can't even pronounce. God. Hands up. Lady. Hands up. Comunicado. Well, I'm singing. Shouldn't I? It's not as if losses are eminent in trading, so it's not as if it's the first time that someone is looking at his trade going to lose. So anything that happens. So I can't kill myself. Like I said, once this setup fails, I'm ending my trading. I'm ending the live actually, and even closing my laptop, dropping my phone. I'm not trading today till tomorrow. So that's just me. Once I feel it just happen like that, I use the whole day to reassess and see what actually happened in the charts, then come back stronger tomorrow. I don't force the trade. Okay, I don't force trade. So it's just like that. So let's see what good has to offer. This structure I'm seeing is already creating a buy structure. Okay, a bullish structure, but it is what it is. Mm-hmm. Guys, don't forget to tap your screen, like, share. That's the best way you can support. Okay, you can like, share, comments. It doesn't matter if the setup is going well or not going well. Support is what is needed. Okay, so I need your support. I think. Oh. And it's about to happen. We just have like 8 minutes for this candle to close, and it's already closing on bullish, which is not nice at all. Which is not nice at all. But I'm still looking. We are still looking together. Hmm. All right. Let me plug my. No, thank God. Let me plug my device. Well, I can see up to 22 viewers, but nobody is even tapping the screen to like this live. Okay, let me do it myself. Tap 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 tap. Just give myself, let me add 3 more. Give myself 200 likes. Tap. Good. Is it sell now? Yeah, I'm actually selling. And the stop loss is at 39.82. So we're just waiting if gold is gonna take us back to profit or take us out. Meanwhile, this candle here has showed bullish already. It's already a bullish candlestick in this 1 hour, but still holding my trade, still selling. We have like 5 minutes to this for this candlestick to close, so anything can happen.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen to your favorite songs ad-free. Download music and offline or on the go. Enjoy thousands of customized playlists and radio stations. And jam to music when your screen is off or while using other apps. There is more to discover with YouTube Music Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
Holy crap. This doesn't look good.
Ad-free, one subscription, two apps. Try it free of charge.
Already the candle has already showed bullish, so like I said, let's repeat it again. Already we have a double bottom here. So as always, once there is a double bottom, from where it started to retrace back to create that double bottom is the price range. Okay, so if this is a truly double bottom, the price range is from this range to this, which I've measured here. So well, we are going to expect the price range from here to also happen above. So if this is double bottom, then this is the price range, and moving it here, expecting gold to come back to 40.30 exactly if this setup fails. So that's where gold is heading to, 40.30. And it's a failure. Sorry, 40.13, not 40.30. Sorry, 40.13. So setup has failed, and we're gonna move it this way. So let me take this out because it's a failure. So I'm expecting gold to go all the way to 40.13 from this point. Well, I'm not gonna trade 40.13 from exactly this point. Okay, so gold has already given me the hits and a big blue today. So that's the price range, 40.13 from here. So it has already given me the hits. You don't have a clue, bro. Of course, who won't say that? Do I or do I not? It's heading to 40.13. So that's the clue that's the highest clue I'm gonna give. If you wanna believe, fine. If you don't want to believe, it's left for you. 333. Is that enough for you to believe now?
With YouTube Music Premium, listen to your
That's the
favorite
wage.
ad-free.
Okay,
Download music and
let's
podcasts
do the
and listen offline.
maths again.
Enjoy thousands of customized
Already
and radio stations.
I made a mistake by selling. Okay, so
Music.
already this is double bottom here. So once there's double bottom, the range from here when it started reversing, that's from this point, that's where it started reversing, right? From here down back to where it created that double bottom, it's where you're gonna take as your market range. So if it is double bottom, it's expected to break this support, this resistance here, and then create the same range above. So from this point to here, it's not even 13, it's even above. It's heading up to 17. Okay, so it's expected for this same range to be created also above. So it's heading to 4017 from this point. Let me enter. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we. Of course, this candle already has showed bullish. One, 2, 3, 4. It's a strong bullish, so you expect gold to deliver at least minimum 200 pips from this structure here. It always happens like that. Minimum 200 pips from this structure. So if it started flying around, where from here is 7.6, that's, you see, already 200 pips F. So I haven't even spoken enough. Minimum 200 pips from that kind of structure. So, but it's not yet done. It's still heading to 4017. That's for sure. Which is the first mistake I made. I would have said close now and enter buy to 4017. Okay. Let's see if I can enter late. I've already entered late and closed though. Let's see if I can still make another entry. Close. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna enter a buy now. You see, I just made a buy entry at 39.94. Who is saying something? Oh no, what did I just do? Okay, so I just entered a buy now at 94, which is very risky, but I just want to ride it up to that 40.70. I don't want to miss out. Okay, I'm going to hold it till it gets there. Already today's setup went astray, so I don't have choice. Like I said, I'm not going to trade after this, but I just made an entry now, which is currently doing as if it wants to give me heart attack. Live is gonna end in 5 minutes because of inactivity. Okay, sorry. Is the market going to reverse? Not yet. Market is going to reach 40.17 first before reversal. Yeah, so you can see the buy I just entered now. Look at where it is. It's flying. So I'm going to set my take profits to 40.17. Okay, 40.17. Sorry, 17. Modify. So that's where it's heading to. 40.17. Okay. Currently live. Let me. Good. Live trading. Okay, it's already at 40. It's already at 40.05. Which is nice. But the main name is 40.17. So let me take some. At least this will be used for recovery. Let me take some profits and set break even. Okay. At least I didn't lose the whole of today. Use this to recover. Okay. Okay, rocket. So, okay. I definitely know 17 is for sure. Guy. It's for sure. It's getting there. At least, guys, we use this for recovery, guys. After that freaking fucking sale, it's getting there. 14, 17. So at least I'm gonna use this to end the day. Well, I'm still buying. Let's see. I'm still buying, and the TP is still 40.17 with break even do. Okay.
And in the background. Plus, download podcasts for listening on the move. Try 1 month free of charge.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
Boom. Come on. Ooh. What I say to you guys. 14.7. Up, falling down, bro. Thank you. That's how we do the recovery journey. What's now left? 217. Close this Bitcoin. Oh, just forget I made an entry here. Ooh. Siri, yeah. Okay, so let me end this YouTube live. Think of and